I'm embarrassed to show y'all what's underneath this hat, y'all. You know it's bad when your strands done formed a damn chokehold around your hair tie. It's giving hair care neglect. So I had to run to my neighborhood Walmart to pick up Palmer's newest holy grail, the Amino Bonding Complex System, designed to transform damaged hair bonds from the inside out. So we putting it to the test today, baby. Starting with freshly shampooed hair, I'm applying the bonding conditioning mask. For one, it smells amazing. And for two, my type 4 hair girlies get in here now because the slip is slipping. I'll leave it on for 10 minutes, then rinse it out really well. Next, I'm applying the 5-minute bonding hair gloss treatment designed to strengthen and protect severely damaged hair caused by chemicals and heat styling tools, also claiming to lock in that brilliant shine that we all love. So we gonna see. This is not a leave-in, so I had to get back in the shower, y'all. Okay, so the claims are true. My hair feels super strong and the shine is amazing, y'all. Now I'm going in with the bonding leave-in spray, which I think will be my MVP product because it detangles, seals in hydration, reduces frizz, and provides heat protection up to 450 degrees. Lastly, I'm massaging in a pump of the bonding healing oil to double down on the softness and shine. I mean, look at my before and after. This lightweight formula is a 10 out of a 10. All in all, these products are salon quality, super affordable, and 100% Cat Styles approved.